Okay, so my name is Brianna Hicks, okay, and for Lab 8, for my candy bag, I did a Twix bag, and from examining it, I learned that the Twix so far has 2 layers. One of the layer on the inside is going to be the film that holds it together. The film is on the inside, and then the foil is on the outside, so it has 2 layers, and you can see that as you rip it. And then my other bag that I did was my chip bag, and I also seen that this bag has 2 layers as well from ripping it. It has a film side, you can see it has a film side, and then a foil side or aluminum. I seen that it was a question that said, do I think they're using aluminum? And I said yes, because when I put the flashlight up to the print, I was able to see on the inside. I'll be back. Okay, so I'm back. Well, for the juice bottle and the soda bottle, to measure the volume of the water, I had to improvise and use these bowls that has 1 cup, 2 cup, 4 cups, and 6 cups on the side for each one to determine the volume of each, I guess you could say the volume of each one. So for the juice bottle, it can hold up to, let's see, so before I add the boiling water, the juice can hold up to, so this is 6 cups plus another 3 cups, so that's 6, 7, 8, 9. So this can hold up to 9 cups of water before we add the boiling water to it. So now it's time to see about the soda bottle. Alright, so this one was 9 cups of water before we added the boiling water to it. Let's see how many cups the soda bottle can hold. And then once again, I had to improvise on my measuring cups because I didn't have any. So I'm using bowls that I measured on the side. Okay, that's 6 cups plus I'll say about 6 plus another 4 cups. So 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 cups. This can hold 9 cups. This can hold 10 cups. Okay, so the next step is for me to take both of the bottles and pour boiling hot water on them to see what happens. So here is the first bottle, which is the juice bottle, and here's my boiling hot water. I put it in here, and I'm pouring the hot water into the bottle. So far the bottle hasn't did quite anything. My prediction was for the bottles to actually melt a little bit to where they can't hold as much more water because of the steam from the boiling water made them melt. But since I had to improvise and use just hot water out of my sink in my room, I don't think the water got to the right temperature that it needed to get to make the bottles change, have a physical change to determine how much water that they could take up. So there's technically no change, but you can tell that if the water was a little hotter, it would have definitely made a change to the bottles.